Hi guys, today I'm discuss very important topic. I got website error. I got mail by the particular website issues. That is called like issues on the fail particular coverage issues. Some people asking one question. Sir, I received this mail about the Google Search Console. How to fix it? Simple option. Click this link. So they are showing for some validation errors are there. So when you get the errors, they will be find out, they give the violation errors will be given on the particular search console option. In the search console, simple, click the see details. No worry about that one. Simple, we can click option will be start new validation. Just one click button. What are the website issues are is there in search console? Immediately will be removed from here is a particular option. So they will be showing the particular option on Google Search Console. When you open Google Search Console, without mail also you can check every week on the website issues. Where go to coverage. In the coverage, what are the errors are will be there. Just you can check the errors. Click see details. Here will be showing for start new validation. So the issue will be removed from Google Search Console option. The errors are mostly will be given 404 errors. So that is called they receive by mail on the particular website. You did not check the sending mail. You can go to mail and click for start validation. The error will be removed on the particular Google Search Console. It will take 24 hours. Validation will be start by immediately, but the remove the URL will be pending by taking for 24 hours time. So this is a very important. And after this one, the very important option is called to update the sitemap file. This compulsory mandatory to update the sitemap files. So this is also very key point on the particular website. So I'm updating here done. And one more option, we can remove the sitemap or the new sitemap file. We can checking for C index coverage. So here will be issue will be happen in the particular XML sitemap to your particular website. So this is called you can fix the website errors using Google Search Console option.